Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make Hawaiian macaroni salad. Okay, and for the ingredients, the star of the show, macaroni salad. Macaroni, not the salad, is not done yet. Then we have a tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of you could use 1, but I like 2 because we like it a little spicy. And then we have 1 tablespoon of salt. Some people put about a cup actually of milk, but I like it a little thicker, so I'm only putting half a cup. 2 cups of mayo. This is not for you if you're in a diet. And I'm gonna use about a half of a carrot. I might use it all, but we'll see. A stick of celery and 4 onions, green onions, and we're going to use one of these about a quarter of a small onion, white onion, and because they're sweet. And we're going to use this little small one instead of the big one for this, and also for the carrot. So let me show you how. Okay, so we're gonna put our macaroni in water. I added a little bit of salt to the water, and while that's cooking, we're gonna do everything else. But I wanted to show you something. On the box it says 7 to 8 minutes, and that's what al dente is. But for macaroni salad, for Hawaiian macaroni salad, it's got to be very tender. But I'm gonna taste it. More than likely it'll be about 12 minutes instead of 7 to 8, but we'll see. When I taste it, I'll let you know. So the macaroni is halfway done. Now we're going to do our sauce. So we already have the onion in here, and then we have the grated carrots. Now we have the celery, the 1 stick, and now we have our onions. So we're combining everything together like so. Now we're going to put the tablespoon of salt, pepper, sugar, and the milk, the 2 cups of mayonnaise, and then we're going to mix all this up. Yeah, it seems like a lot of mayo, but this is a creamy sauce, and it's a lot of pasta also, so you'll see it'll kind of integrate pretty well. And this will probably feed about 10 people, unless you're hungry.
You happy? Fatty make a funny.
So now we have a rolling, boiling water, and our pasta looks pretty soft, so I'm gonna taste it. And it's perfect. It's just past al dente. For people that don't know what al dente is, it's just an Italian term for not too soft and not too hard, but just right, because it keeps cooking unless you take it off the water. But like I said, you want this soft and it's ready to go. We'll get it out. Okay, now I'm going to put it in here and bring it to the table here and see how beautiful it looks. Okay, I've done messed up, but we can fix it. One of the key ingredients, apple cider vinegar. Hello. But anyways, we got it here. Yeah, this is a key ingredient. It's going to give you just that real mellow, sweet taste of vinegar, but not enough. I got a quarter cup, and right now that it's still hot, you want to put it in there because while it's hot, the macaroni will absorb the vinegar. So what you want to do is you just want to mix it and just let it rest for like 5 minutes until it's cooled down. So now it smells just like apple cider, sweet apple cider, and the macaroni has absorbed all that. Now that it's been warm, our sauce is right here, ready to go, and we're just gonna dump it in there now. You see, it seemed like it was a lot of mayo and everything, but you'll see it'll incorporate into the dish very nicely. And see that? It's a lot of macaroni, so. And you want to adjust salt if you need to, if you like it a little bit more salty. And you see that? It just pretty much disappeared. What we're gonna do now is taste to salt. So now myself and my son, we love spicy. So this is chili garlic sauce right here. And it's awesome because it has that garlic extra taste. The rest of the family, they don't like it. They like the original taste of the Hawaiian Mac. So I'm gonna add just about that much, whatever it is that you want. Like I said, this is optional. I put the chili paste in there, and it'll turn the dish a little pink. But like I said, very delicious, and it's still creamy. You see how I turned it just a little bit, and it's just extra taste. I love it like this. And now we're gonna refrigerate for 2 hours, okay? Because this salad, you wanna eat it cold. Oh ho ho! 2 hours later, nobody's here, nobody's watching. Let me taste it now. Party time! Oh yeah, bro.
All right. Would you stop poofing on that joint and do some work?
Okay, let's get this sucker ready.
Delicious. So here I have the spicy version, the one I like, and here is the sweetie one. It's kind of sweet, very, very delicious. So these dishes, they complement barbecue, especially Hawaiian barbecue, teriyaki chicken, or furikake chicken, or beef, and if you're just cooking a steak, it'll complement everything. All right, guys, the end of the video. Thank you very much for sticking with me. I mean, the dish is pretty fast. It's pretty quick. Believe me, once you make this, you're gonna get addicted to it, and you're gonna keep doing it over and over again for all your dishes. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Have a great day.